So I'm 36 minutes into the leak check, and I've actually lost, this is fluctuating a wee bit, guys. I've lost a few tenths of a pound, but I went in for my lunch, and the garage has dropped about 2 or 3 degrees in that time frame. It's considerably cooler in the garage. I could feel it as soon as I walked in, so I'm not really surprised by this. I think we're good. I think we've got a tight system. Keep in mind, guys, this is a variable displacement compressor. It's clutchless, so there's a limiting bolt on the face of the pulley that can shear in the event there's an issue with the compressor itself. I know it's not very clear, but take my word for it. I did in fact have my missus start the engine, and I checked there is drive to the compressor. At the condenser coil here, guys, this is the moderator tube. Inside here, this is where you find the desiccant bag. This should be replaced ideally when you do a job like this. 538. I'd like that under 500 ideally, but appreciate a micron is an extremely small unit of measure, guys. So I'm actually going to transfer over the manifold here and actually get some refrigerant into this thing, as I'm running out of time that I actually have available on this thing. So as I said, under 500 would be ideal, but I'm pretty happy with 538, to be quite honest. Okay, the refrigerant line here is perched up to here, guys. The rest of it's got vacuum. The valves are closed at the moment, so let's zero the scales, and we're looking for, we're going to load into the high side liquid refrigerant first. So let's see how much we can get in. Let's go. Valves are open. These two valves are closed at the moment. I'm going to open the valve. Zero that again. That's just me moving the lines. Okay, valves open. Vapor into the low side now, guys, after it's been pre-charged with the liquid. It's pretty slow. I'll bring you back. So that's just about 575 there, guys. Grams of refrigerant, again, just on the high side to accommodate for the line loss. There's the pressures. Clearly the compressor is running. Low side and high side, of course. Let's go inside and check the temperatures. Now, it's pretty cool. It's not the ideal, air conditioning performance testing, obviously, guys. Right? It's only 16 degrees in my garage here, although up here is a wee bit higher, looks like. But yeah, let's see what the car has to say. Nice. What do we got? 36, 38 degrees. Wow, really, really cool discharge temperature. I don't know what the dew point is. I'm not really getting any condensation on the windows, but it's quite a dry night and quite cool. So I'll post whatever the dew point is, but it is definitely cooling. There's no doubt about that. I'll just finish up with the lines outside. I'll close the hood, and we'll get a wee bit better idea of the performance. Both caps back on the high and low side, guys. The Schrader valves were leak checked. Outside temperature is 14 degrees. Relative humidity is like 40%. So again, not the ideal conditions to be performance testing an AC system, but I've got the right mass of refrigerant in the system at roughly 575, plus or minus a little bit. There's a tolerance of 550 is the spec, plus or minus 25 grams. Yeah, so I'm really happy with this. This hasn't been operative for 2 years, this vehicle. With respect to its air conditioning, and at the moment it seems to be functional. Time will tell, of course, if it's if my tightness test was accurate or not. But yeah, I'm happy with this. So far so good. So we'll call it a night. If you've watched it this long, thanks so much. That's it, boys. Cheers.